Hello again. This video is looking at basic subtraction, and it's broken down into three parts. Here we are with the first one. There are just two steps when we are sliding down lower beads. Firstly, set the first number. Second, slide down the lower beads. So here's an example. 3 minus 2 equals 1. We're going to set 3 on the soroban. Next, slide down 2 lower beads, and we're left with the answer, 1. Another example, 4 minus 2 equals 2. Set 4 on the soroban, slide down 2 lower beads to leave 2. Now we'll move on to part 2, which looks at moving up the upper bead. Again, there are just two steps. First, set the first number, and then slide up the upper bead. So straight to an example. Here we have 7 minus 5 equals 2. Start off by putting 7 on the soroban, and then slide up the upper bead to leave 2. Another example is 9 minus 5 equals 4. Set 9 on the soroban, slide up the upper bead to leave 4. Part 3, we're going to combine these two. There are 3 steps. First, set the first number, then slide down the lower beads, then slide up the upper bead. This first example, we have 9 minus 6 equals 3. We start by setting 9 on the soroban. Next, we're going to slide down 1 lower bead. Then we can slide up the upper bead to leave 3. Here's another example. 8 minus 7 equals 1. First, we'll set 8 on the soroban. Next, slide down 2 lower beads. And finally, slide up the upper bead to leave 1.